Okay, so 24 by 6, resolution is 300. You want to make sure that's in inches and hit create. Once your blank document's there, I had you turn on your rulers. So if you go to view, you can click on ruler, and a ruler should appear here and here. If it's not in inches, I learned yesterday, if you right click, you can change the measurement. So you can click on inches there. So what I did is divide my name. I have 6 letters in my name. The width or the length of this is 24, so 6 divided by 24 divided by 6 is 4. So I'm going to drag a line out every 4 inches. As placeholders for my boxes. Then what I'm going to do is grab my frame tool and zoom in using Command plus, and then if I hold down spacebar, I can scroll to the right or to the left or up or down if I need to. I'm going to leave a little bit of space on each edge, and all I do is click and drag and draw my frame. And then pull up my photos. Let's see. If I can find where I saved them. My photos pulled up here, and then all I have to do is click and drag that photo into the box here. Once it's in there, if I use my move tool, I can then resize it if I want to. If you can't see the box around your picture, just come up and click show transform controls, and then dragging from the corner I can resize my shape to fit where I want it to go. Once I have it set, I'm going to hit enter in the bottom right corner of my keyboard, and then move over and do the exact same thing. Then I can keep resizing my pictures. And continue those steps all the way across until your collage is created. When you're finished, make sure you do file save. And then you're going to upload this to Canvas, and I'm going to print it out on my big photo printer so that you have a nice printed copy.